Hello kids! Here I am at the amusement park from the other day, remember? We found the numbers from 1 to 10. Let's refresh them. Repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Great! But wait, after 10, what comes next? Oh, wow! Look at this map. We have beautiful numbers that come after, but I think that there's something more with each number. Let's go for the first one. Do you know what is it? It's the number 11. Say with me. 11, 11, 11. Great! And the letters are coming out. Yes, they are mixed up. So I'm going to sort them out. E-L-E-V-E-N. Yes! 11! Now the number is lining. So let's just touch and see. Whoa! A roller coaster! Who loves roller coasters? I do! How exciting! Now let's find the number 12. This is the number 12. Super difficult. Let's spell it together. T-W-E-L-V-E. Say again. T-W-E-L-V-E. Great. Okay. Now we've got the number. But what's behind? Let's just touch a Ferris wheel. How cute! I love it! More numbers, more rides. Number 13. Okay, 13. This is quite difficult. Let's spell it out. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N. Oh, let's say again. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N. Woo! Great! Now let's touch it and what is there? A carousel! Nice! My brother would definitely like this one. Let's move on to the number 14. Yes, 14. Okay, we need to remember how to spell the number 4 first. F-O-U-R, 4, T-E-E-N. T-E-E-N. Yes, that's the number 14. And what's behind? The drop tower. Whoa, this is the scariest one for me. Look, they take you up high and then suddenly drop you down. It's so thrilling. Let's continue. Now the number 15. Say with me. 15, 15. A tricky one again. Let's spell it together. F-I-F-T-E-E-N. F-I-F-T-E-E-N. And what's behind that number? One of my absolutely favorite ones. Yes, water rides. I love it. Okay, thanks for the splash. Whoa. Now let's go for the number 16. This is very easy. Remember first how to spell 6. S-I-X. 6. We have it. And then we add T-E-E-N. 16. Yes. And what's there? Oh, it's not showing. Yes, I know, because that E is missing. Come on, go to your place, E. Thank you. And the bumper car is such a blast. When I go on that ride with my friends, I always try to not get hit, but quite difficult. Now, let's go with the number 17. 17. 17. Let's write this together. First, we start with the number 7. S-E-P-E-N. And then we add T-E-E-N. T-E-E-N. Awesome! And what attraction is there? Oh! The haunted house! How scary! I'm not going there. No, it scares me too much. We're almost done. Now we need the next number, the number 18. So let's do this together. Okay, a lot of concentration. E-I-G-T-E-E-N. E-I-G-T-E-E-N. Let's see what's right there. No, not working. No, guys. Okay, let's see carefully. I missed the H. Yes. E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N. Yes, now it's okay. And the teacups. I love teacups. Super cute. And the final one. Show me the number 19. 19. And I and E, 9. And then we add T-double-E-N. T-double-E-N. 19. And what's there? The waterfall. Great. Another splash. Wow. Okay, thank you. And as far as we've got all numbers from 11 to 19, now look at the door. We got the number 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. We did it, guys. Goodbye.
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Hello, kiddos! Time to keep learning about numbers. And this time, super easy. We just need to trace over the words and paint the way you want the different numbers we've got here, okay? But this time are not easy numbers, not from 1 to 9, but to 10 to 20. Let's say with me, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Okay, let's just start with the number 10. And I'm going to use the blue T-E-N. And look, I am just going to paint it with dots. Number 1 and the number 0 in a darker blue. So I've got the number 10. Now let's go for the number 11. 11, I'll go for the orange. E-L-E-V-E-N. E-L-E-V-E-N. And now I'm going to paint the number 1 like the number 1 like this, and this other one like this. Nice! I love it! Okay, we go for the number 12. Number 12, this beautiful purple, T-W-E-L-V-E. And now I'm going to draw hearts. Like beautiful hearts. Like this number is in love. Number 12. Well done. Great. Okay, now we go for the number 13. 13. 13 is a difficult number, guys. So let's remember T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N. And the number 13, how? Okay, I'm going to paint like this. Like clouds. I am going to paint like beautiful purple clouds. Like this. Well done. Then number 14. Number 14, let's just do it in green. Fourten. 14. And here I'm going to do stripes. Stripes, 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 stripes. Great. Now let's go for the number 15. Fifteen. 15. And for the number 15, yes, I'm going to paint it whole in blue. Whole in blue. And maybe here, I am going to do it just this way. Nice. You love it? I do. Okay, number 15. Now let's go for the number 16. And this time I'll go for yellow. SIXTEEN, 16. And this time what? Yellow bananas. I am going to draw bananas. Bananas, like yellow bananas. Well done. Number 17. Again with what color? Yeah, purple again. SEVENTEEN, 17. And purple, what can I draw? Like now this time I want to draw the side for sure. The side for sure. And yes, let me just do dots as well. Super. Okay, number 18. Let's go for the number 18 and I'll do it with this half orange. 18. And I'm going to draw like bigger dots. Bigger dots. Bigger dots. Well done. Now let's go for the number 19. 19. And yes, as it's red, I want to draw a beautiful heart. Like this. Oh. Yeah. Well done. And finally, let's go for the number 20. And I'll do the light blue. 10 and 20 with the same color. T, W, and T, and Y. And as it's the last number, I'll paint the whole number. Like everything inside. Beautiful. Done. Love it. Good job, guys.